Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the definition of potentiometry. Potentiometry is the field of electroanalytical chemistry in which the potential is measured under the condition of no current flow. It is a method of analysis in which determine the concentration of solute in the solution and the potential difference between two electrodes. Potentiometer is an instrument that used for the determination of unknown concentration between reference solution and the sample. Principle. The principle involved in the potentiometry is when the pair of electrode is placed in the sample solution. It shows the potential difference by the addition of titrant. Metal atoms may dissolve in the solution as positive ion, leaving electron on the electrode. Second is the metal ions may take up the electrons from electrode and get deposited as the neutral atoms. In this way, a potential difference in the setup between electrode and solution. Second is the reference electrode. A reference electrode is the half cell having a known potential, has the constant potential. Examples is the standard hydrogen electrode and silver chloride electrode. Next is the indicator electrode. An indicator electrode is another half cells with the unknown potentials immersed in the analyte solution. Its potential is sensitive and to concentration of analyte. Potential is directly proportional to the ion concentration. Examples are the metals electrode, ion selective electrode. The electromotive force of the complete cell is given by following equation. E cell is equal to the E reference plus E indicator plus the E junction. E reference is equal to the electromotive force of the reference electrode and E indicator is the electromotive force of indicator electrode. E junction is the electromotive force at the junction of the liquid. Salt bridge, it is the laboratory device used to connect the two half cells of galvanic or the voltaic cells. Salt should be inert and it should be not react with the anode cathode solution, and salt should not be the precipitate. Functions to complete the circuit of the cells to maintain the electrical neutrality. Salt use are the NaCl, KCl, KNO3. That is the potentiometer, salt bridge, anode and the cathode, and there are the porous frites. In today's class I discuss about the principle of the potentiometry. Thank you for watching.